Hey guys, I'm back, and today I enrolled myself into school. So I'm gonna get picked up by my best friend, Bobby&Gladiz.
Oh, you're already here.
Yeah. Let's go. Pick me up.
I forgot.
Where'd you going? Where'd you going? Let me sit in the back seat.
Oh.
I won't go. Okay, let's go.
Maybe I should sit in the back seat too.
Who's driving? Come on, let's go. Wow, it's so fast.
It's a little glitchy.
Yeah.
I got glitched out.
Oh. Oh.
It was so glitchy.
Oh, anyways, guys, I'm walking to school. I'm just gonna walk to school. Oh, I'm just gonna walk to school.
It's okay. I could fix
Oh my God! Look, missings report. Help find Santa's elf. Last seen looking for cookies. Let's go. We should go find Santa's elf.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I can still pick you up.
Oh, Susan doesn't know anything. Ooh, what's that? Go down, go down, go down. Ooh, maybe we can go to the Christmas carols. I want to sit on Santa's lap. Santa! Let me go take photos.
I'm here to drop you off at school.
It's too late. Oh, it's too late.
What you mean?
It's too late. I came here to go buy some gifts. Oh, I can buy a giant Christmas tree. Oh, I can't afford any though. Whoa, these ones are huge. Where's the giant Christmas? Go down, go down, go down. Hey, let me see you going down. Go down, go down, go down. Hey, let me see you going down. Go down, go down, go down. Hey, let me see you going down. Anyways, guys, the next episode, we should go find the elf.